Here's the splitter after we've done the initial heavy welding. It's 7 foot 2 inches long, so we cut 10 inches off, 2 inches off one end, 8 inches off the other. We've boxed in the end with a wedge with 1/8 inch steel to keep it from twisting. It's boxed in on the back side also. You can see there's angle iron in the middle here and here to keep it from twisting. We boxed in the tail end here with 3/8 inch steel, and that keeps it from twisting on the back above the mounts for the cylinder. The quick attach plate is attached with 5/8 inch plate here to keep from horizontal torquing, and we have 1/2 inch C-channel here to keep from vertical torquing or twisting. Made forklift fork boxes out of C-channel, welded 2 of them together, welded them on, and if you take a look here, these bolts can twist down so you can clamp it on the fork. So if you don't want to use it with a quick attach, but you want to use it sideways to get the work closer to you, you can actually clamp these down and you can move the forks up and down, or the tips of the forks up and down, so it doesn't fall off. Go to the back. The stand's made out of 2.5 inch thick wall tube, square tube, with 4 inch angle iron. Take a look and see what it looks like underneath. There you go. It's welded all the way up. 5/16 inch quick attach plate. And there you go. As I get closer to being done, I'll post more. Finally got the splitter painted. Nice Alice Chalmer orange. We'll give you a shot of it. It's just a little over 7 foot long. The wedge is 9.5 inches tall. The beam itself is 7 by 12. Once again, I welded in 1/8 inch steel plate on the wedge side to reinforce it to keep it from twisting on each side, and then on the back here. In the middle you'll see 2 pieces of angle iron here and here, keep the middle from twisting and bending. We have the fork attachment blocks here and here with the hold down screws, so that if I want to run it sideways instead of lengthways, I can spin these down, clamp them to the forks, and I can angle it however I need to without having it falling off the forks. Put a 5/16 inch quick attach plate here, welded the 1/2 inch C-channel here for vertical torquing or loading, welded 5/8 plate here for horizontal loading or torquing. We have 3/8 inch plate on each side of the cylinder mount to keep it from twisting. And then the stand is 2.5 inch square tubing on each side. Take a look at it behind. That's what it looks like. And 4 inch, welded to 4 inch angle iron. And that's what it looks like from the tail end. After I get the push block mounted and the cylinder on, we'll take it for a test spin and we'll show you a video. And here's the splitter finally hooked up to the skid steer. I checked it for operation, works okay so far. I'll try to split wood and take some videos later on. There it is. It's got, I think, a 30 inch throw on the cylinder. It's a 5 inch cylinder with a 2.5 inch rod. There you can see the push plate, how it extends a little bit past the tip of the wedge. I tried to do something for safety's sake here, and I put a grip plate there and a non-skid plate there for climbing on and off the thing, because you know how wet paint gets, where you got a little frost on your shoes or a little bit of snow. I really don't want to end up upside down on my head on the ground.